CoConstruct versus Smartsheet, which is best for project management in construction. If you're a construction professional, you know how crucial project management tools are. But with so many options available, which one really stands out for your needs? Today, we're diving deep into CoConstruct and Smartsheet, comparing them side by side to see which software offers the best features for project management in construction. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which one is best for you, and you might even discover a better alternative. Let's start with CoConstruct. This tool is specifically designed for home builders and remodelers, and it's well known for its ability to manage projects, budgets, and communications all in one place. CoConstruct offers features like real-time budgeting, scheduling, and client communication, which makes it ideal for those looking for a seamless process in managing client relationships. However, while it's great for residential builders, it's somewhat limited for other types of construction projects. Its pricing also tends to be on the higher end, which might be an obstacle for smaller teams. Next thing, Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a versatile project management tool used across many industries, including construction. It offers a flexible interface that allows teams to create custom workflows, track tasks, and share real-time information with collaborators. Smartsheet's strength lies in its flexibility and scalability, which is great for teams working on larger, more complex projects. However, its construction-specific features don't quite match up to CoConstruct's. It may require more customization to truly adapt to the construction industry's needs. The third thing to consider is user-friendliness. CoConstruct has a more intuitive interface for construction professionals who may not be as tech-savvy. With built-in tools that cater to project-specific needs like selections, change orders, and client portals, it reduces the learning curve for users. But Smartsheet offers more customization and a broader set of templates, making it a good choice for teams who need flexibility in how they manage their projects. However, this customization comes at a price. It can be a little overwhelming for first-time users. Next thing, support. CoConstruct offers excellent customer support with a dedicated team available to assist users with any issues. Their focus on construction means their support staff is familiar with the challenges you might face. Smartsheet, on the other hand, provides a lot of resources like training videos and a help center, but its customer service isn't quite as specialized for construction-specific queries, which could lead to slower responses or less detailed help. Now let's talk about integrations. CoConstruct offers integrations with QuickBooks and other accounting software, which is essential for contractors managing their finances. But when it comes to third-party integrations, Smartsheet really shines. With a massive range of integrations, including Salesforce, Google Drive, and Microsoft Office, it's a more flexible solution if your team uses multiple software tools. The fourth thing is pricing. CoConstruct's pricing model is subscription-based and can get expensive, especially for smaller businesses. You pay for the full suite of tools, even if you don't need all of them. Smartsheet, though, offers more tiered pricing options, which can give smaller teams more flexibility in how much they pay. But just like CoConstruct, it can add up as you add more users or features, so you need to weigh the cost against the functionality you need. So, which is best for project management in construction? While both CoConstruct and Smartsheet offer unique strengths, neither is perfect. CoConstruct is fantastic for home builders and remodelers, but may not be as versatile for larger construction teams or other industries. Smartsheet offers flexibility and scalability, but requires more setup to work well in the construction space. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative. If you want a more specialized tool with easy integration, clear communication features, and a more intuitive interface, you should check out the software I've linked in the description. It's designed with construction teams in mind and offers a free trial, exclusive benefits, and an option to test it risk-free. Take advantage of this offer now by clicking the link and see for yourself how this tool can streamline your project management process.